हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम अभी डिस्कस करेंगे डोज फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में आपके चैनल पर हाईलाइट ऑफ यूनियन बजट, जो मैंने वेरियस न्यूज़पेपर से हाईलाइट्स रीड करके निकाला है। जस्ट अभी प्रेजेंट किया गया है हमारे फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर श्री अरुण जेटली जी द्वारा। सो लेट्स डिस्कस टुडेज हाईलाइट्स ऑफ टुडेज यूनियन बजट 2016। बैंकिंग के क्षेत्र में जो हाईलाइट्स आ रही हैं वो है बैंक्स गेट्स अ बिग बूस्ट ₹25,000 crore towards recapitalization of public sector banks. Jaitley says Banking Board Bureau will be operationalized. We stand solidity behind public sector banks. पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक को 25,000 करोड़ मिलने वाला है फ्रेंड्स, और टारगेट ऑफ डिसबर्समेंट अंडर मुद्रा इंक्रीज टू 1,80,000 करोड़। मुद्रा में डिसबर्समेंट इंक्रीज हो गया 1,80,000 करोड़ तक। प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ गवर्नमेंट स्टेक इन IDBI बैंक बिलो 50% स्टार्टेड। गवर्नमेंट का जो स्टेक है वो IDBI बैंक में बिलो 50% स्टेक स्टार्ट हो गया ट्रांसफ़र करने का। जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज विल बी लिस्टेड इन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज। गवर्नमेंट टू इंक्रीज ATMs, माइक्रो ATMs इन पोस्ट ऑफिस इन नेक्स्ट 3 years। एजुकेशन के क्षेत्र में जो देखा जा रहा है फ्रेंड्स, स्कीम टू गेट 500 करोड़ फॉर प्रमोटिंग एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अमंग ST, SC एंड STs। 500 करोड़ रुपीज़ का प्रमोटिंग स्कीम में दिया जाएगा ताकि प्रमोट किया जा सके एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप SC ST कास्ट के लिए। 10 पब्लिक एंड 10 प्राइवेट एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन टू बी मेड वर्ल्ड क्लास। डिजिटल रिपोजिटरी फॉर ऑल स्कूल्स लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट्स एंड diplomas, ₹1,000 crore for higher education financing, ₹1,700 crore for 1,500 multi-skill development centers, 62 new Navodayas Vidyalayas to provide quality education. Digital literacy scheme to be announced to cover 6 crore additional rural households. Entrepreneurship training to be provided across schools, colleges and massive online courses. Subjective to skill 1 crore youth in the next 3 years under the PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana, said by FM Finance Minister Jaitley. National Skill Development Mission has imparted training to 76 lakh youths. 1,500 multi-skill training institutes to be set up. एनर्जी के क्षेत्र में ₹3,000 करोड़ earmarked for nuclear power generation. Government drawing comprehensive plan to be implemented in next 15 to 20 years for exploiting nuclear energy. Government to provide incentives for deep water gas exploration. Deep water gas new disk to get calibrated market freedom, predetermined ceiling price based on landed price of alternate fuels. In infrastructure, ₹27,000 crore to be spent on roadways. 65 eligible habitats to be connected by 2.23 lakh kilometers of road. Current construction pace is 100 kilometers per day. Shops to be given option to remain open all 7 days in a week across market. ₹55,000 crore for roads and highways. Total allocation for road construction including PMGSY प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना ₹97,000 crore. India's highest ever production of motor vehicles was recorded in 2015. Total outlay for infrastructure in budget 16 now stand at ₹2,21,246 crore. New greenfield ports to be developed on east and west coast. Revival of under reserve airport. Center to partner with the state to revive small airports for regional connectivity. 100% FDI marketing of food products produced and marketed in India. Department of Disinvestment to be renamed as Department of Investment and Public Assets Management. Government will amend Motor Vehicle Act in passenger vehicles segment to allow innovation. Personal finance ₹1,000 crore allocated for new EPF Employees Provident Fund scheme. Government will pay EPF contribution of 8.33% for all new employees for first 3 years. For in taxes, no changes have been made to existing income tax slabs. Infrastructure and Agriculture says to be levied. Excise duties raised from 10 to 15% on tobacco product other than bidis. 1% service charges on purchase of luxury cars over rupees 10 lakh and in cash purchase of goods and service over rupees 2 lakh. Deduction for rent paid will be raised from 20,000 to 60,000. I think it is 24,000 to 60,000. As I had seen today's budget, it is 24,000. It was 24,000 and now it will be 60,000 to benefit those living in a rented house. Additional exemption of rupees 50,000 for housing loans up to rupees 35 lakh, provided cost of house is not above rupees 50 lakh. Service tax exempted for housing construction of houses less than 60 square meter. Companies with revenue less than 5 crore rupees to be taxed at 29% plus surcharge. Limited tax compliance window from June 1st up to September 30 for declaring undisclosed income at a 45% inclusive surcharge and penalties. In agriculture sector, the most important sector is agriculture sector. Total allocation for agriculture and farmer welfare at rupees 35984 crore. 28.5 lakh hectares of land will be brought under irrigation. 5 lakh acres to be brought under organic farming over a 3-year period. Rupees 50,000 crore for recharging of groundwater, recharging as there is urgent need to focus on drought hit areas, cluster development for water conservation, dedicated irrigation fund in NABARD of rupees 20,000 crore, nominal premium and highest ever compensation in case of crop loss under the PM Fasal Bima Yojana. In social sector, rupees 38,500 crore for Mahatma Gandhi Manrega for 16-17. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan allocated rupees 9,500 crore rupees. Hub to support SC/ST entrepreneurs. Government is launching a new initiative to provide cooking gas to BPL families with state support. LPG connection to be provided under the name of women member of a family. Rupees 2,000 crore allocated for 5 years for BPL families. 2.87 lakh crore grants to Gram Panchayat and municipalities. Quantum jump of 228%. 300 urban clusters to be set up under Shyama Prasad Mukherjee urban mission. For scheme for animal welfare, there are 4 schemes for animal welfare. It's quite good news. Health, 2.29 lakh renal patients added every year in India. Be basic dialysis equipments get some relief. A new health protection scheme for health cover up to 1 lakh per family. National Dialysis Service Program with fund through PPP, public-private partnership mode, to provide dialysis at all district hospitals. Senior citizens will get additional health care cover of rupees 30,000 under the new scheme. PM Jan Aushadhi Yojana to be strengthened. 300 generic drugs store to be opened. And one more point is there which is missing in this slide. I think that is the duties on the product which used to keep cool the medicines, means freezing the medicines, that duties on that will be reduced. So friends, this is all for highlights of Union Budget 2016. I think this is the good budget presented by our Finance Minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley ji, and it will definitely be beneficial for everyone, for all of us, and especially the budget focus on the agriculture sector. First time in Indian history the budget is supportive for the agriculture sector, quite supportive. It is very good budget for the agriculture sector and rural areas. So I hope this will be the best budget for ever, and thanks Mr. Arun Jaitley ji for presenting such a nice budget, and thanks viewer for watching this video. Thank you.